Good evening, friends. This is Mayur Sampat once again with a weekly analysis. Today is 26/3/2023. Let's deep dive into our weekly analysis. So let's see what has Nifty done and how this has progressed. So we were technically looking for a sell below the 17,450 levels, and the price has gone down to our exact levels somewhere over here, 16,927, which we were expecting it to come in. Okay, so why this 16,927? So we had gone to a monthly levels. Okay, and this is where we had seen that a possibility of price coming down to this levels. See over here, as far as our monthly levels are concerned, right? This was the place we were looking at. That is this 16,927 levels, right? And during that time, it was clear that once 17,377 would it be broken, then we are heading for these particular levels. Now today, a big question mark. What next? Because anything lower than this, then we are looking for a figure way down below over here, around 15,500 levels to 15,425 levels. So will this price tend to go down on a monthly chart? That is one question, very important question which everybody asks. So we will also go over there and try to analyze what is going to happen in terms of whether the price is going to reach there. Secondly, as far as the quarter is concerned, okay, so we have finished with the January, February, and the March series. Okay, April will just start, but look at April in terms of the two candle formation. This seems to be like a bearish engulfing. Okay, so practically anything which will technically go down below the 16,938 levels would definitely come somewhere halfway down below over here. Okay, and then eventually 15,425 levels. Okay, so whether we are going to see the down or it is going to go to sideways, all that will be seen. Okay, so this is as far as the quarter is concerned. So let me jump immediately. So technically, if you see, okay, on the upside, as far as the quarter is concerned, on the upside, uh, when we saw the high, okay, and then slowly and steadily, one whole quarter is been a negative thing, right? So going down to the 10 minutes daily chart first, let me uh, show you to what is the scene like as far as the daily chart is concerned. Okay, so during the last week also, it was very clear that we are basically seeing a lower lows coming in again and again. Okay, every time the price tries to move up, but we are seeing a lower low. Okay, and that doesn't give us any clue of why we should be buying this particular market. Okay, important thing is okay, from where it is going to go up. Practically, you can see a simple 10-day moving average on the Nifty. The price is not able to sustain on the 10-day moving average also. So last week also, we had an expiry, and then price trying to go up, blah blah blah. Okay, it took the support of the 16,927 levels, the earlier levels, and then price went up only to be beaten down. So now the level which I would love to write on the upside is 17,200 levels. Okay, uh, let me write down 17,200 levels. Now, why 17,200 levels? Because see, understand this, a price is not able to go above. It has not gone once even above the mother candle over here also. Okay, it is definitely below the 10-day moving average. Okay, now on the lower side, anything 16,925 levels. Okay, anything below this, then we are heading downwards. Now, why it is so? Let us understand. Normally, we have not taken any indicator, oscillator, or anything, right? But this time, I have a RSI as an indicator over here. Now, since the last 2 months, you could see this. Okay, practically 3 months. RSI on a daily chart is practically below the 50 levels, only to see the price being beaten down again and again and again. Now, RSI is technically used by most of the technical analysis, okay, as a momentum, but it could also be used for a trend indicator. Why trend indicator? See, a simple rule of the game. Okay, simple rule of the game. On the daily chart, okay, on the daily chart, okay, price is below the 10, 50, and even 200-day moving average, showing you that the market is weak. Okay, every up move is being sold. 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 So the downwards momentum is faster than the price which are going up, right? And RSI, which is technically relative strength index, that index is also not showing a strength on the move. Okay, that is also not showing the strength of the move. Just going behind little bit. Okay, just to show you in terms of uh, what happens. Okay, what happens now, just to show you, when RSI was above the 50 levels, right? The RSI was above the 50 levels, price was above the 10 moving average. Okay, price was above the 50, and price was above the 10, then the momentum was there. Then the momentum was there. Now, it can be used as momentum indicator. It can be used uh, for so many different ways. And that is what we are going to have a workshop after so many days on the 2nd, that is next Sunday, 2nd of April 2023. So do register if you want to attend this particular workshop, and we are going to only and only discuss about RSI, only one indicator. I think so one whole day is also um, um, not enough to understand more deep into the RSI as a subject matter anyway. So this is as far as our daily charts of the Nifty is concerned. Let's go to say 60 minutes We will check out all the 240 minutes and the 60 minute also. Okay. And you can have a look at the lines which are in place. Okay. The lines which are in place. So every up move and the sell comes in. Every up move and the sell comes in. Now, one thing is for sure. Tomorrow morning, what is going to happen? Where the pressure definitely remains on the lower side. But let us draw a particular line over here at this junction from where the price has run away. That is 16,880 levels. Okay, this is a 29th March Nifty. Okay, this is a futures. Okay, now this is a 240 minutes chart. So anything above 17,100, okay, we can actually think in terms of buy, not before that, but immediately at 17,200, that is what our levels are. Okay, 17,200, there'll be a strong resistance over here. Okay, the strong resistance over here. So it should be basically sideways to downside, very much likely, because look at this, RSI is also below the 50 levels. Practically no strength over here, no strength over here. So even in 240 minutes, we are not seeing any strength. The pressure is always going to be down. But please remember this, okay, as a golden nugget. When the market wants to go down, okay, it tends to move up and then goes down faster. Okay, so even if there is an opening, a gap opening, people will tend to not buy but sell if it is in a sell wala mode market. Okay, so please remember that. So looking at this on a 60-minute chart, it's a big one. Okay, look at this. Even on a 60-minute chart, okay, a sell which had come in, okay, a sell which came in, the drops are faster than the price trying to go up. Now, will this become a double bottom practically? Okay, will it hold over here and then try to go up? Fine, we will wait for a price action to give us a clear indication. But on a 60-minute chart also, now what was supposed to be demand, okay, is now going to act as a resistance. So if the price doesn't stop over here, it starts to move down, then again it's a sell wala market, not a buy wala market. Okay, so wait for a confirmation, wait for some higher time frames momentum to give you a buy. Don't just jump into a buy. So I will wait for maybe 10-15 minutes what the price is going to do, blah blah blah, and then only take action. But as on now, the pressure seems to be on the lower side. Now what is dragging the Nifty down? You could see the Reliance, which was given quite earlier. Okay, what is Reliance doing? And you can check it out. Reliance has broken the lines, okay, and it is on the way down. RSI is also quite at the low this thing. Now on a daily chart, yes, the up movement had come in, it gave us support, blah 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 blah, and everything was good. But please understand, this is one heavyweight which you need to keep in mind. One heavyweight which you need to keep in mind for Nifty to go down. Anything below 2178. This is the cash chart. Anything below 2178, and the Nifty momentum would be definitely on the lower side. It's one of the heavyweights. One of the heavyweights. Okay, this is a daily chart. Now let's now move to Bank Nifty. Okay, let's now move to Bank Nifty. First, we will go to higher time frames. Let's look at the monthly chart, and where our monthly support was supposed to be 39,713, and it has gone below the 39,713 on the monthly chart also. Okay, let's look at the weekly now and understand, okay, where the things are. Please understand, we had seen a beautiful 1 2 3 reversal over here. Okay, we had seen a beautiful 1 2 3 reversal. Now when you see a 1 2 3 reversal, okay, would not love to buy something over here. Why not buy something over here? Because understand this, price has gone down below 39,686, and then the pressure remains on the lower side. So next on the thing is 38,500 levels, and on the monthly side we have the 37,475 levels also. So whatever is going on as far as the world banking sectors are concerned, very clearly I have been telling that cascading effect definitely can take place. Okay, and that we have to, we will also be a part and parcel. Okay, um, RSI has gone below the 50 levels. Okay, as far as the weekly is concerned. Okay, and let's now look at the daily chart. Okay, now this was one of the very clear channel which we had drawn earlier also. Okay, that the price are not ready to go above. Okay, and it was being clearly mentioned over here that it will come back to the channel. It has come back to the channel again, trying to go up, but not able to sustain on the top, only to be beaten down. Okay, so very important levels as far as the this is concerned. Okay, RSI, you can look at RSI. RSI is below the 50 levels. Now look at this, when the price is getting beaten down, RSI has not been able to go above the 50 levels. Okay, or technically not above the 60 level. Yes, it gave you a strong up move from the lower ends. Okay, and then only to be seen as getting beaten down. Okay, but the most important thing, again, a simple rule which I am following, a simple 10 moving average. Okay, 10 moving average. So now the price is below the 10 and the 50-day moving average, and it has also gone below the 200-day moving average. Okay, showing a weakness in the Bank Nifty also. Now, is it that it is going to go down further? Yes, of course. Anything below 39,200 levels. Okay, anything below 39,200 levels, we are expecting the price to look at around at 38,745 levels and 38,545 levels. This is where I am looking at. So if early morning, okay, this will act as a support, and if this support is broken, okay, 38 to 200 support is broken, we are going to have a sell side wala market, not a buy side wala market. Now, is it going to hold over here? let's go to a little smaller time frames also, 240 minutes chart, and check out the mother candle. Look at this. So every up move is this had hold for quite some time, and we had exited the position. We were into a buy, looking at this 39 200 levels, again and again repeating the 150 wala rules, which we keep on following again and again, only to see a bearish engulfing coming in, a inside candle, and the drop coming in. Okay, price now needs to go above, understand this, it needs to go above 39,800. So on the upper side, 39,800, okay, and 40,150. These are the two levels, very important levels to watch out. Okay, unless and until the price goes above this, sits above this, it's not a buy. You know, every up move could be sold. I will not say can be, it could be sold. Okay, and anything below this 39,100, then we will see a downwards journey. Okay, it's not a buy wala market, understand this, it's not a buy wala market. Okay, there'll be some stocks which will keep on pushing, trying to push up, but what is driving the bank nifty? So which is the one stock which I keep on talking again and again, that you should need to watch that particular stock. Like in Nifty, I talk about Reliance and the HDFC also. Okay, and look at HDFC. I'm just going to have a this thing on 240 minutes chart. Okay, on a 240 minutes chart. Okay, what is the scene like? Price not able to sustain on the upside. Okay, and slowly and steadily, as far as we are concerned, every up move is being sold into it. Okay, RSI is below the 50 levels. So unless and until 1600 is not crossed, HDFC is not practically a buy. Okay, HDFC will not be a buy. What are the other few stocks? Let's look at, but we should be going on a daily charts. Okay, daily or a weekly chart, as far as other stocks are also concerned. Okay, let's look at ICICI Bank. Okay, banking sector is holding, and that is what is holding this thing, the Nifty also. But if banking becomes weak, then nothing to stop down. Okay, this is a weekly chart as far as the ICICI Bank is concerned. Okay, practically sideways, but below the 10 moving average. Anything below 828, again the pressure on the ICICI Bank will be coming in. Okay, again slowly and steadily going down. Okay, holding as far as 816 levels are concerned, and on the upper side 854 levels. Axis Bank, Federal Bank, let's check Federal Bank. It's below the 10 moving average. RSI is around the 50 levels. Okay, so some banks definitely are holding, but look at this mother candles, understand this, look at the mother candles. The mother candles are definitely not showing the strength which is needed, but slowly and steadily price going down. Okay, very important. Let's look at Indus Bank. Okay, one bank, like I said very clearly. Okay, price not able to sustain on the upper side. Okay, it is below the 200, and see the drop which has come in, strong drop coming in. Okay, and the psychological number, 1000, it is trying to hold. Okay, will it hold 994 levels cash? Okay, anything below, then more pressure on the bank nifty also. On a weekly, please understand, on a weekly it has gone below the 50 levels. Okay, that is very important. Let's look at Kotak Bank. Again, Kotak Bank taking support over here. Will it hold? This is a weekly. Again, look at it in terms of the mother candle. The mother candle is again sell, not a buy. Okay. Now it's a very important level. Very important level. Will it hold over here for quite some time? Then Bank Nifty is going to go sideways. Okay, but the pressure remains on the day. And normally, what happens is it is around the 200-day moving average. Okay, it is around the 200-day moving average. But can you see a pattern which is occurring over here? A shoulder, head, and a shoulder pattern. Now, if I draw a simple straight line over here, on a weekly, this is a shoulder head shoulder pattern. Anything below 1631, we do not have anything. It can go down further. So practically, will this hold good? Let's hope that market is not going to do anything. Year end is there and mutual fund wants to buy and blah, 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 which is going to come in. But please understand, wait for reversals to come in before you go and buy something. It doesn't make sense to buy because look at IT stocks. Let's look at IT stocks also. Let's look at IT stocks. Let's look at TCS on a weekly chart. See this weekly chart. TCS also in a sell wala mode. The pressure, the mother candle, the pressure is on the lower side. Okay, will this hold over here? 3094 levels is what is very important as far as this is concerned. Let's see Tech Mahindra, again a bearish candle. Okay, not able to sustain above 11444. See, understand as far as Tech Mahindra is concerned. Okay, look at the levels when the price has gone down over here. One time, two times, three times, four times. So price going down to 985, coming back again. This is a weekly chart. Understand this. It's a weekly chart and price not able to go above 11444. Wait. Nobody can catch the bottom. Nobody can catch the top. But wait. Wait for the price to go above 11444 before you jump into a buy also. Okay, seems to be a buy. Yes, seems to be buy, but understand this, it with all other stocks getting beaten down. Okay, look at this, look at this. HCL Tech, Infosys. Okay, from 420 470 levels, last week levels, slowly and steadily it is getting beaten down. Now will this hold over here? So what is the hold wala thing coming in? Let's look at this. Very important and crucial level is 1360, but it is coming very close to the 200-day moving average, which eventually it should be coming in. Very important level for LTIM. Okay, anything below 4465, anything below 4465, watch it for a sell, watch it for a sell. Okay, again LTTS, it was a sell last week, complete week. Emphasis below the 200 moving average. Understand this. Once it starts to move below the 200, understand this. RSI below 50 levels and see the pressure coming in. Okay, simple rules. We will have a trade plan which should be simple. Okay, look at Wipro, not able to go beyond 410 and then below the simple below the 200-day moving average, and then the price keep on pushing down. Now, yes, like people would love to buy over here, and now it will go up. Now it will go up, but anything below 381 was a sell, sell, sell only. Okay, price has not gone beyond the 10 moving average, and RSI is way below 50 levels, way below 50 levels. Okay, So wait for a confirmation. Just don't jump into something not so good a market in terms of um, a buyer market, I would say. Okay, wait. Okay, now the defense theme which was being running away, the defense theme. Look at the defense theme also. Let's look at defense theme. Yeah, HAL, there was a strategic sell by the government. Some stake was being sold. Okay, and then in the first hour, this is a weekly chart. Okay, um, the price dropped by almost 5% over here. Okay, but on a weekly, definitely a 1 2 3 reversal. Now, will this hold, or the price is going to be beaten down? Just to show you why, um, let's look at other defense stocks and how they are getting beaten down. Look at this. Okay, this was a flavor. I understand this was a flavor. Okay, in the last 3 4 months, this was last quarter, or maybe 6 months, this was a flavor of one side moving up and then getting beaten down slowly and steadily. Price not able to sustain and then getting beaten down. Okay, this is Mazgaon dog. Okay, definitely long term buy is good one. Again, Bhel, look at this. Price not able to sustain on the upside. Kochi shipyard, look at this. Okay, again that flavor and the theme getting over right on the top, and slowly and steadily price coming down. Okay, right time to buy, almost 40 50% drop. Yes, but you again and again repeating, divide your this thing into three parts. Okay, if you want to buy something over here, um, buy one part and then wait. If the price are dropping, it can go drop further also. Draw your lines and keep it ready where to buy. Right? If it is available cheap, definitely buy. I'm not saying not to buy, but wait for a right reversal. This is a weekly chart. Understand this. So every up move is being sold. Look at this on a daily chart. Every up move is being sold. Okay, every up move is being sold. 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 So why you want to buy something where the selling pressure is more? The theme is over. Okay, theme is over. It will come back. It will come back. I'm not saying it is not going to come back, but you will get it cheaper, right? So just wait for the right reversal to come in and then take an entry. It is below, it has already gone down below the 200-day moving average also. Okay, please understand, when the market are bad, it is better to get out of the small price stocks. Okay, where the bidding is on the higher side. Okay, so please note that it is not a buyer market as on now. Okay, we will come in at a later stage when the buying is going to take place. Okay, and then we will go ahead and buy. But right now we should just uh, wait and then think in terms of buying. Nothing wrong. Prices are not going to run away. Believe me, the prices are not going to run away. Okay, it doesn't make sense at all to go ahead and buy. Okay, this was like 2 days back. Um, I had specifically sent this thing. Okay, Nifty has gone below the 200-day moving average. Now, will this hold, which is very important level over here, 16,730 levels? Okay, why over here? Because you can check this out. This is where, from where the Nifty had actually run away on the upper side. So there is a hope. Spot price, please look at the spot price over here. Okay, people say, but there is a gap over here. It has not been filled up, blah 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 blah, and all that. Yes, practically Nifty can go sideways, but not a buy, immediate buy, not a recommendation. If price moves up, the selling pressure would still remain. The mother candle, look at the mother candle. The last day mother candle was 131 points. Wait for a reversal to go ahead and buy. Okay, very important level as far as I am concerned. Okay, is my 17,154 levels. Look at this over here. Okay, 17,200 levels as far as spot is concerned. Okay, price not moving up, price not moving up. Okay, price not moving up, price not moving up. Very important levels now. So till the time this level is not broken, okay, mother candle, just look at the mother candle. That means anything only above 17,200 levels, I would go ahead and buy something. Otherwise, I will be on the selling side, not a buying side. It could be a sideways to a sell. That is what I will be looking at. Okay. I hope today's weekly analysis was good enough. We'll see you next week. Bye bye. Take care. Okay. If you are an investor, okay, please keep your money. And if you want to buy something, okay, go ahead and buy little bit so you can monitor it. But go to your weekly chart and a monthly chart for your levels to come in. When the level comes in, when the reversal will be seen, we can, if you have the money in hand, you can go ahead and buy something, not a problem. But till that time, say keep safe, and I'll see you next Sunday with one more weekly analysis. But remember, we have our RSI meet. We have our RSI meet workshop basically. Okay, on 2nd April, which is a Sunday. Okay, which is a Sunday, and it will be from 9 to 5. 9 to 5. Okay, where it will be? It will be at Dadar, Mumbai. Okay, those who want to register, okay, you can DM me. My number is 9820214315, wherein we will understand how to use RSI, the relative strength index, okay, for entry, okay, for exits, how we can use it as a trade plan also. Okay, very important that you can use it in the equity market also, and you can use it as far as futures and options are also concerned. Not a problem at all. Okay, so I'm looking forward to meet you and share my knowledge with all of you. As far as RSI workshop is concerned, we will talk about overbought, oversold signals, and so many things. Yes, you can also use it in patterns. Okay, and we will discuss this also. Patterns, when the pattern forms, right, how to go about it, whether it is a cup and handle formation, or whether it is a head and shoulder formation, or inverted head and shoulder formation. I will have a lot of examples also for you, that how to use your RSI as far as the patterns are concerned. So many things to understand, learn, and then immediate implementation can be there as far as the functions of the RSI is concerned. You can use it the next day, not a problem at all. So I'm looking forward to meet you all on the 2nd of April, Sunday, at Dadar, Mumbai. Bye-bye, take care, and see you.